Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my second blog on linear equations. This is another tutorial on linear equations. We are again here going to solve certain questions on linear equations like that we have solved in the previous my previous video. So let's start with certain more questions here. So this is another question on linear equation. Question is, as you can see here, this is an equation of variable y. This is an equation of variable y and we have to find the value of variable y here. This is the equation. 3y plus 4 upon y minus 1 equals to 2 plus 7 upon y minus 1. This is the question. This is the left hand side of linear equation and this is the right hand side of linear equation. So simply we will first solve the left hand side. We will first solve this side of linear equation, that is left hand side. Then later we will solve this side of linear equation. Then like similar we have done in the previous video, we will bring these two LHS and RHS together and find the value of y, which is our variable. We have to find the value of y. So let's get started with first step. Solve LHS. 3y plus 4 equals to y minus 1. And RHS will go like 2. What happens here is, one thing I want to keep you notified in this linear equation. LHS is quite simple, but if you see here RHS, we have two terms. Term 1 which has only 2 as constant and term 2 which has 7 upon y minus 1 as this term. So what we will do because this is only 2 here and this is in the form of p by q, that is numerator by denominator. So we will bring one denominator, same denominator here also. Below 2 we will bring this denominator y minus 1. Okay, y minus 1 is denominator we have to bring here because y minus 1 is LCM of this whole term. Okay, so we will bring y minus 1. How? Simply we will multiply y minus 1 here and here on numerator and denominator. Okay, simply we will multiply y minus 1 with 2 on numerator and down 1 is mentioned here. 1 is invisible, but it is already understood that 2 upon 1 is 2. That means 2 upon 1 is here. So we will multiply y minus 1 with 1. Okay, so simply we can write this equation as like this. Okay, 2 into y minus 1 plus 7 upon y minus 1. Then we will solve this. And LHS is going like this. Okay, 3y plus 1 plus 4 upon y minus 1. This is going like this. So okay, so okay, if we take care of this RHS, so we will open this bracket y minus 1, multiply 2 with y, which become 2y. Then multiply 2 with minus 1, which will become minus 2, plus 7, just note it down here directly as it is. And then solve further. 2y, this is one term, and minus 2 and plus 7, this is another like term. These two are like terms because these have only constants, there is no variable. So we will solve this minus 2 and plus 7 here first. So minus 2 plus 7, because these two terms have different signs, unlike signs. So what we will do, we will subtract 2 from 7. So subtracting 2 from 7, we will get answer as 5. Okay, so here we got answer here like this. Now in the next step we can see here LHS and RHS, denominator is same both the sides. Y minus 1, y minus denominator is same, so we can cancel out this denominator here directly, or simply we can move this y minus 1 from here to here, and when this y minus 1 will come from here to here, it will change to its operation to multiplication. Okay, and y minus 1 when is in multiplication, so this y minus 1 and y minus 1 will get cancelled out from each other. Okay, so we have done that only here. Okay, this is in a very simple actually I have skipped one step here, I'm so sorry about that. I'll mention it. Okay, so okay, so this y minus 1 will cancel out from this y minus 1. Okay, that we have done here only, like this. So we will remain with these four terms. Okay, these four terms, and we can see here what we will do. We will group like terms together. 2y and 3y are like terms, and 4 and 5 are like terms. So we will group these like terms together. How? Bringing 2y to other side. 2y is positive here, and when we will transpose this to other side, it will become negative. 3y minus 2y, and 3y minus 2y, simple. 3 minus 2 is 1, so it is y here. And moving 4 to here, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So value of y which we got is 1 here. So if we want to check whether value of y is correct or not, what we will do is we will simply keep the value of y equals to 1 back to here in this equation. We will keep this back to here. Then we will solve complete equation. If we get this value and this value equal, that means the value of y is correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is another question. 3x upon 4 minus 2x plus 5 upon 3 equals to 5 by 2. It has three terms. You can see here. Term 1, term 2, term 3. It has three terms. Okay, this is LHS. This is LHS. Before equal to sign, this is LHS, and this is RHS. Okay, so we will solve LHS because LHS need to be solved more. RHS is simple. It is a constant here. Nothing has to be done here, but LHS को solve करने की ज़रूरत है. So first most thing what we will do, we will make denominator equal. दोनों denominator same होने चाहिए. तो to do this denominator same, first we will find the LCM of 4 and 3. 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. Okay, so we have to make 12 here. We have to make 12 here. How? Simply on this whole term, multiply 3 here, 3 here. Why we are multiplying 3 with 4? Because 4 3s are 12, and we have to bring 12 here. So to bring 12 here, we are multiplying this 4 with 3, and if in denominator if we multiply a number, then respectively on numerator we have to multiply with same number. So we have done this thing here. Okay, न्यूमरेटर में 4 को 3 से इंटू किया है, रिस्पेक्टिवली न्यूमरेटर में भी वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3 विद दिस न्यूमरेटर दैट इज 3x. ओके, जब इस पूरे टर्म को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे वी विल गेट एज आंसर 9x बाय 12. ओके, कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल है. Similarly, if we move to this term, as you can see, this term 3 is present and we have to make it as 12. अब इसको 12 में convert करना है, so what we have to do is 3 को 4 से into करना पड़ेगा, because 3 4s are 12. So make 3 को 4 से into करो, and अगर denominator में भी 4 को into करेंगे, so numerator में भी respectively 4 को into ही करना होगा. So we have done the same thing. डिनोमिनेटर में 4 से इंटू किया है, सो रिस्पेक्टिवली न्यूमरेटर में भी 4 से इंटू या मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो 4 इज मल्टीप्लाई हियर, एंड नाउ वी आर ओपनिंग दिस ब्रैकेट हियर. सो 4 इंटू 2x एंड 4 इंटू 5. Okay, one thing has to be keep in mind कि there is a minus sign in front of 4. Okay, this is a minus sign in front of 4. So when we are opening this bracket, जब इस bracket को open किया, when we are opening this bracket, simply ये minus sign भी travel करेगा इस पूरे bracket के साथ. Okay, because this minus sign is navigating with 4. So minus 4 into 2x minus 4 into 5. Okay, minus will navigate through this whole bracket. ये minus sign ये पूरा travel करता जाएगा इस पूरे term के साथ. Okay, so like this 4 into 2x plus minus 4 into 5. Minus sign is this minus sign. Okay, so we will simplify it. 4 into 2 is 8x and 4 into 5 is 20. We will got answer here. Because denominator is same, so अब इस पूरे term को this whole term has to be keep together. इसको एक तरह से हम एक साथ रख सकते हैं. This is together here. Now in next step what we can do, this 12 we can move here. Because 12 यहाँ division में है, so while moving this 12 from this to this side, the arithmetic of this operation, mathematical operation will change from 12 from division to multiplication. So this how 12 जब other side move किया गया, so it will be in the multiplication of this number, this term. Okay, so we have done here like this. Now here it is left x minus 20 and this 12 is 2 divided by 2, so we get the answer is 6 here. Now in next step 5 6 is 30, x minus 20 is there. Now this is a very simple step. We have to bring constants together. 20 is a constant and 30 is a constant. So what is the step for this? Move 20 to this side, and because we are moving this 20 to this side, so sign of 20 will also change from while moving the constant. This is minus here, and जब this constant will move to other side, this minus sign will change to plus sign. So you can see here 30 plus 20, because 20 को मूव करा रहे हैं एक साइड से दूसरे साइड पे, और 20 के पास माइनस साइन है, तो माइनस साइन मूव दूसरी साइड पे मूव होने के बाद इट विल चेंज टू प्लस साइन. सो दैट व्हाट हैपेंड हियर. एंड सिंपल 30 और 20 के दोनों सेम साइन है, एंड व्हेन साइंस आर सिमिलर नंबर्स विल गेट ऐड, बिकॉज 30 के पास पॉजिटिव है, 20 के पास पॉजिटिव है, सो नंबर विल गेट एज number, these two numbers will get add, and we got the answer of x as 50. So this is this question was also very simple. There are more quite difficult questions on linear equations, but this is interesting. Difficult questions are interesting, so we'll discuss more questions later in next videos. Till then, bye bye and thank you for listening.